Pick up our samples. Bánh bao đây. Sau đó rẽ trái vào hai bãi trước.
Hello everyone, it's the next day. We're on a boat. Jason's being nice and carrying our luggage. We are walking to our next day, which is called Daisy and Bang Villa, and we decided to stay and extend our stay in Hoi An and stay in An Bang Beach. So now we're just looking for a villa, and I realized I don't actually know how far 20 meters is.
Us Americans in our feet.
Yeah, so gotta pull it up on the map and see where it is. But we're gonna look for it. We're on the way there.
Why can't it be in yards?
At least it's beautiful.
Yes, it is.
No, but really, where is it? Maybe it's over there. It looks. Oh,
just
see.
keep looking at the signs.
Yeah, because there's a couple of homestays and places I saw in Agoda that we're passing by that we chose not to stay at, but at least now we know where the main road is.
Yes.
And we're still, I think this is it. Oh, I found it. Yeah. Hello. Walking to the beach. We just went down like a minute, spotted a spa. Oh, good afternoon.
For full body massage,
Yeah.
free or 30-minute facial, or manicure or pedicure.
Ah. Hello. Okay, we'll come back. Yeah, we just walk. Okay, thank you.
This is the part where I pick up our samples.
Hey guys, so checking in. We're now walking along, I guess, the main road of An Bang Beach, and we're looking for a place to eat. But there are a lot of little nail shops, spa shops. Luckily, there's a lot of mini marts, but we haven't seen a restaurant Jason is keen to try yet. There was an alleyway of a couple of restaurants that said they were air conditioned that we might try, but for now we're just exploring. It's just super hot, so I'm glad I brought this umbrella. Ooh. Can you tell I'm a tourist without saying I'm a tourist? I'm not sure. I mean, yeah, totally obvious. Here, shade. Here it is. I'll show you the alleyway. Oh, there's so many beautiful bees and butterflies. So the land would have been this way. Thank you for saving me from a rogue soccer ball.
Rogue soccer balls.
A rogue. Gotta be careful out here in the streets of Hoi An.
Mean streets of Hoi An. Soccer
know.
balls everywhere.
I grew up in Kirkland. It's a good thing we came home because it's raining now. Hear it? We turned off all the lights so I can get a video of it. Wow, it's like night and day. Well, literally it's about to be nighttime, but it was so sunny. There was no warning that it was gonna rain, at least based on what you saw outside. It was so nice. Barely any clouds, but I guess it came in.